This video is to talk about the causes of OCD. So interestingly enough, there have been a lot of different hypotheses about what is the cause exactly of OCD. And the truth is just that the research is pretty inconclusive. We actually don't really know what causes OCD. What we do know is that OCD, obsessive-compulsive disorder, is a neurobiological condition, which means that there are elements of brain chemistry that are involved and brain functioning. There are also elements of genetics that are involved in different components. However, studies disagree about what exactly those biological and neurobiological components and factors are. So while that can seem, kind of frustrating to say, well, we don't really know the cause of OCD, the good news is that we do know how to treat OCD. And so even though we don't know exactly what exactly causes OCD, um, we can point to some different factors that affect its onset, and we do know how the condition is maintained, and treatment targets those maintaining factors in the disorder, which is how people are able to get better and experience recovery from OCD. So we do know that some of the factors are genetic. We do know some of the factors are biological, but then a lot of the factors are behavioral. So how you respond to your OCD symptoms, whether that's with avoidance, a compulsion, a ritual, safety behaviors, or facing your fears and approaching your triggers through something like exposure with response prevention can really make a difference on whether you continue to experience symptoms, whether they get worse or whether they get better. And so, again, while we don't know the exact cause of OCD, that is still to be determined, and hopefully one day the research will become more conclusive. We do know the effective treatment that exists: exposure with response prevention, CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy, and those therapies do have a very significant effect on improving people's symptoms and their lives.